now the parade, as everyone knows, will be held from 18th to the 21st, the 18th to the first day of the parade. So there are the way we've broken up the float thing is basically there will be six categories of floats. There will be a traditional category that's around 30. Club and institution will be 30. Corporate will be 40 floats. Family category will be 6. Family and junkyard will be 2 and junkyard will be 4. Now, Samaspat also is an important part of this whole thing. So now, during this event, we managed to get Remo. He will be one of our main acts in this Samaspat. So, in addition to that, also there will be other activities for children, for families, and as per the normal. This year also we have decided to support two initiatives that the People's Carnivals basically that have been held in Sasabay and Rwanda. So this is where the citizens of those areas have basically gotten together. They are organizing their own small little carnival thing amongst themselves, and the CCP will lend them financial support. Now we have to sit with traffic police also and work out alternative arrangements for parking and everything. So we will need their full support. In terms of
कोई भी डाइवर्जन डिसिप्लिन सिटीजन जो आपको समझ ठीक
so that's okay. So we'll sit to them and let they will have to come up with a plan also. Pollution Control Board has is asking every event to install decibel meters and everything also there. So we will check and see with Pollution Control Board.
You all have been made aware of the time limit.
Sorry.
You all have been made aware about the time limit.
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.